Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol UXIN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question, quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very nice bounce, and when you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was all the way down there, but then by the closing bell, the price was able to manage to get all the way up there, any rational person would say, yeah, that was a very nice bounce on the bull's part. But that does lead to the valid question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make mapping out that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level, and that level is down here at $2.30. Why is $2.30 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $2.30. If the price were to come down here and then just continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? Well, from a very literal perspective, that'd be putting the price right back to where it was when it was flirting with those lows. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price goes down here, behaves in that manner, and then begins to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, now all of a sudden you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have those lows down there. And if you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as $2.30. What about levels of resistance going forward? Initial area of resistance to keep a close eye on, going to be right up there at the $2.40 mark. And if the price can get up through there, then there's definitely some room to run, as the next key overall level you'd want to keep an eye on is that purple line right there, the 50-period moving average. Now, I'm not saying it's shooting straight up to that level. My point is that, just looking at the chart, there's not much else out there. So the potential is there for a nice continued movement. So we'll see what happens with it. But all in all, nice, bullish movement today. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum going forward. Let's see what happens. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.